The difference between block and block. The terms block and block can have different meanings depending on the context in which they are used. Here are the general distinctions between the two. Block. The term bloc typically refers to a group or coalition of countries, organizations, or individuals that unite for a common purpose or shared interests. A bloc is formed when multiple entities come together to pursue common goals, often in the realms of politics, economics, or military alliances. For example, the Eastern Bloc referred to the group of socialist states in Eastern Europe during the Cold War, led by the Soviet Union. These countries formed a political and economic bloc based on shared ideologies and cooperation. Bloc. The term bloc has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, a bloc refers to a solid, typically rectangular object with defined dimensions. It can be made of various materials such as wood, stone, or concrete. Block can also refer to an obstruction or obstacle that prevents or hinders movement, progress, or access. For example, a roadblock is a physical barrier that blocks the passage of vehicles. In computing, a block often refers to a section of data or memory that is treated as a single unit. Additionally, block can be used as a verb, meaning to impede or hinder someone or something. In summary, block typically refers to a coalition or group of entities united for a common purpose, while block generally refers to a solid object, an obstacle, or a section of data in computing.